Wow, it's moving very fast.
Yeah.
The temperature's not moving though, I'm worried. Oh, there it is, it's moving. This might not be accurate as well as like the hotter part. It's like on the other side, but then the thermal
try
couple.
putting it in the middle to be like
less
like
bias.
Average, but
yeah. So maybe like even if the temperature saying it's only 10 degree difference, at the far end, it might be generating like hotter.
Yeah.
So we are mostly generate a lot of like voltage and current from like the further end. It's gonna burn it again, man.
I'll just keep it in for a bit.
Smell the burn. That's really good. Theoretically, maximum of voltage we're gonna reach with this is 24. If we max out the maximum temperature difference of a 100 degrees Celsius, we can theoretically get to 24 volts. But of course, that's in the perfect scenario. With Nate. Yo, close it again. It's dropping.
I don't think this thing does much. I think the glove was good too.
It is. Or you have like, or if you have like any metal sheets that we covered up.
Maybe tinfoil, just wrap it around.
That's true. Do I have any tinfoil? I have tinfoil in my home, but I don't have tinfoil.
Yeah, we got tinfoil.
Yeah, now we can see the temperature goes up.
Maybe for the next one I'll do tinfoil.
Yeah. Plus the cool air is not cool enough to like make a lot of difference neither.
It's not increasing
fast.
Like the temperature is not. I don't think our temperature measurement's that
accurate.
You guys have got a laser, a digital thermometer, and you can just scan right here and right here.
Yeah.
Because I think the contact resistance is it's not getting it accurate. Should I shut it?